Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this easy chicken cacciatore stew. Let's get started with this easy stew. It is perfect for meal prep. The first thing we need to do is we've got a heavy bottomed pot. This is a Dutch oven, but any big pot that you could fit a whole lot of stew in is going to be perfect. I'm going to heat it over medium heat. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Avocado oil is just a personal preference of mine. You could use olive oil. It will work perfectly. We're going to heat that up. And I'm going to add 1 whole diced onion, a whole diced red bell pepper, and 3 minced cloves of garlic. I'm also going to go ahead and season this a little bit with salt and pepper. And then we're just going to let these cook until the onions are translucent, the red bell peppers are soft. It's going to take probably about 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, now I've got 6 diced boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I'm going to add, and we're going to continue to cook all of this until our chicken is just about cooked through. You want to make sure it's just almost cooked through. It's probably going to take about another 8 or so minutes. Okay, our chicken is looking really good. So now we're going to add a 28-ounce can of fire roasted tomatoes, either crushed or diced. I really like crushed, but just whatever you prefer. And then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of drained capers, 1½ teaspoons of dried oregano, and I've got a teaspoon of dried basil, but you could also use fresh basil. I would use 1/4 cup of fresh chopped basil. So now this is pretty much done. It's nice and thick. You might want to just go ahead and let it simmer for a while just so all of the flavors can really develop and get into the chicken and just become really a lot more flavorful. But let's season it, make sure it's got enough salt, and then it'll be ready for meal prep. Okay, let's see how it tastes. Needs salt and some pepper. Other than that, it tastes amazing. This makes 6 really nice servings. You could serve it over cauliflower rice or just regular rice if you want. But yeah, this is done. I'm going to meal prep it into little containers, and then I'll have it for lunch for almost a whole week. So be sure you check out this recipe. It's super easy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.